You only have $100. Here's exactly how I would invest it in crypto today. Welcome to Crypto Buzz, where we break down crypto fast, simple, and profitable. Let's dive in. $100. Most people waste it on food delivery and forget about it. But if you invest it in crypto the smart way, and it could be worth a lot more in a few years, here's exactly what I would do. Step 1. Don't buy random coins. Stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum only. These are the two most trusted, most liquid cryptocurrencies. They've survived multiple crashes and come back stronger every time. Put $70 in Bitcoin and $30 in Ethereum. Step 2. Use a reputable exchange. Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. They're free to sign up. Verify your ID, connect your bank, and buy. Takes less than 10 minutes. Step 3. Don't check the price every hour, seriously. Crypto is volatile. It will go up 20%. It will drop 30%. That's normal. Set it and forget it for at least 12 months. Step 4. Use dollar cost averaging. Instead of putting $100 in all at once, split it up. Put $25 in every week for 4 weeks. This way you buy at different prices and reduce your risk. One more thing. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Never put your rent money in crypto. Never borrow to invest. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the work. $100 is enough to start. The biggest mistake is waiting until you have more. Follow this channel for weekly crypto tips. That's it for today's update. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to Crypto Buzz, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big move. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. And again, I am not a financial advisor. Stay smart, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, guys.